Okay, hello guys. For today's discussion, we'll talk about chapter 7, permutation and combination. So before answering any kind of question, we need to know the difference between combination and permutation. Permutation has 4 types. The first type is called type 1, which is the general formula is NPN is equal to n factorial over 0 factorial. We need to always remember that 0 factorial is not equal to 0. In fact, it's equal to 1. 0 factorial. This is type 1. Move on to type 2. Type 2 is NPR. So, NPR is pretty much in basic terms, we are talking about if you have 5 options, right? But we want 1 only. So therefore it will be 5P1. That is what NPR. Pretty much that's how that is type 2. Well, type 3. Type 3 is if our subject, like a word, question that asks about words, like our example is mata, right, have 2 repeated letters. So the general formula will be n factorial over the repeated letter, which is for this instance is 2 factorial because the repeated letter. And type 4. Type 4 is pretty much consists of this type, but the question have condition. The condition can be any kind of condition or rule, such as, let's say, the word mata, but the A must start and must at the end of the letter, or the A cannot be separated. That's the condition. So we need to know the difference between type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay, move on to combination. Combination is pretty much almost the same as permutation, but permutation is all about arrangement. Combination is all about selection. So always remember to find the keywords of selection and chosen. And the general formula is NCR. So NCR, or the general equation is N over N minus R factorial over R. That's his combination. Thank you.
Hey guys, now let's move to another example. Diagram 25 shows a position of 6 pictures consisting of mother, father, 3 daughters and a son on the wall of a house. The number of possible arrangements if a parent's image is arranged in the top row and 3 daughters have to arrange next to each other. So we must put the parent at the top and the children we must put on the bottom row. This one is parent and this one is children, and 3 daughters we must put next to each other. This one will be daughter, and this one will be son. So how do we solve this? So first thing first, we should calculate the parent. Parent is 2P2 because we want 2 this, and then children daughter 3P3 times 2 because it can be 2 possibility, and the son is just put 1P1. So and the answer we will get is 24. Let's see.
This question shared by one of our classmates, which is Nabil. And the question is, a squash team consists of 4 men and 4 women. Is to be formed from 6 men and 7 women. Find the number of ways a selection can be made if 2 of the 7 women are inseparable. If we notice in this question, the first sentences talk about the information, which is they want 7 men and 4 men, 4 women from 6 men and 7 women. But we have the condition here, and the condition is 2 of the women are inseparable, which is must together. So we must have 2 probability, which is the first one must the 2 of the women is be chosen, which is 2 women, 2 together women lah. Chosen and plus, and another one not chosen. 2 women, that 2 women not chosen. Okay, so the first one, the man 7 6 4 6 C4. Why 6 C4? From 6 men we just want 4 men. Is 4 men, and times 2 C2. 2 C2 we mentioned here, 2 together women that chosen, and 5 C2 mentioned about the 7 women that left. 7 but we remove 2, so have 5 here. This for this column mentioned about 2 women that chosen, so we see C4, this mentioned about men, like normal, then times 5 C4, 5 C4, because we already minus 7, 5, 2, 2 we get here, so we get 5. If we calculate, just use our calculator, we can get 75, and the final answer is 2 to 5. Okay, thank you.